Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you saw my shop with me, you saw I did pick up a few items, so, whoa, that was close. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. Alright, I picked up a floral foam square for a DIY. I also finally picked one of these guys up. I went with the little wagon. I wasn't sure if I wanted the wagon, the truck, or the bicycle. It was really cute, but I decided I liked the Hello Fall, so I grabbed that. I also picked up some of these little guys here, and let me just tell you, they're from Crafter's Square. They're 4 little storage pieces, and for my Stampin' Up! People who got the sequins for everything, that's what I'm going to do. It comes with 4 different colors, so I've got 4 different things, and I think it'll be easier, and so that way they don't fall. Alright, I picked up a couple of tea lights. These are always good to have on hand. And then I had not seen this. This is a magnifier with a light. So you know you're getting old when you need a magnifier with a light. But it's got a little light on it and a magnifier. Sometimes you just need a magnifier to read, like, what does this say? I got some more metal words. You guys, I think you saw me pick that up. And then a little purse patch of rubber bands. I am not having a good day today. I was zoomed in on you. I'm talking about things that, whew, oh my goodness. I did pick up some more letters. I wasn't going to, and then I was going to, and then I wasn't going to, and I threw one in. It's $1. You always need letters for something, right? I grabbed the Happy Harvest truck. So cute. I've seen so many people repaint these little trucks, and they're just so pretty. And this is so cute anyways. So, grabbed one of those. And then I think my final thing was the word family. I cannot wait to do something with this. I haven't decided yet, but I will be making something very cute. How can you not? With the word family, how can you not make something so pretty? So, alright, I wanted to show you what I got, and it is Saturday, so I'm going to upload this, and while it's uploading, I'm going to make some DIYs, and I'll put them up for you. Alright, beauties, have a wonderful day. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up so I know that you like these Dollar Tree hauls. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!